Welcome to our video series on monetizing your online presence through affiliate marketing. In today's digital world, leveraging your online influence for financial gain has never been more lucrative. Whether you're a content creator, social media expert, or website owner, affiliate marketing provides a proven avenue to earn money. Join us as we delve into the strategies, techniques, and insider tips that will help you maximize your earnings and generate passive income. Discover how to unlock the full potential of your online presence and embark on a journey towards financial freedom. Let's dive in and start monetizing with affiliate marketing. Introduction to monetizing your online presence. In today's digital landscape, the internet offers numerous opportunities to transform your online presence into a lucrative source of income. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, content creator, or website owner, the concept of monetizing your online presence through various channels has gained significant popularity. This introductory section aims to provide you with a comprehensive overview of this exciting world of online monetization. We'll explore the different avenues available to monetize your online presence with a specific focus on affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with brands or businesses and promoting their products or services to your audience in exchange for a commission on any resulting sales or leads. It's a win-win situation where you earn money while providing valuable recommendations to your audience. Throughout this video series, we'll guide you through the steps necessary to embark on your monetization journey. We'll share insights on building a strong online platform, growing your audience, choosing profitable affiliate programs, optimizing your marketing efforts, and maximizing your earnings. By the end of this series, you'll have the knowledge and tools to effectively monetize your online presence, leveraging the power of affiliate marketing and other strategies. Building your online platform. Building a strong online platform is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. We'll guide you through the process of creating a captivating and engaging online presence that resonates with your target audience. We'll cover topics such as creating high-quality content, optimizing your website or social media profiles, and developing a unique brand identity. By implementing effective strategies to grow and nurture your online platform, you'll be able to attract a loyal audience and increase your chances of affiliate marketing success. Leveraging affiliate partnerships. Finding the right affiliate partnerships is key to monetizing your online presence effectively. In this section, we explore strategies for identifying and partnering with profitable affiliate programs. We'll discuss factors to consider such as commission structures, product relevance to your audience, affiliate support, and reputation. By selecting suitable affiliate programs, you can align your content with relevant products or services that your audience will genuinely be interested in, increasing the likelihood of earning commissions. Strategies for maximizing affiliate revenue. To truly maximize your affiliate revenue, it's essential to implement effective strategies that can help you optimize your marketing efforts. In this section, we'll explore some key strategies and techniques to enhance your affiliate revenue generation. Targeted audience and niche selection. Understanding your target audience and selecting a profitable niche is crucial. By identifying the needs, interests, and pain points of your audience, you can tailor your content and promotions to resonate with them. Choose a niche that aligns with your expertise and where there is demand for relevant products or services. High-quality content creation. Creating compelling, valuable, and informative content is vital for driving traffic and engaging your audience. Focus on producing high-quality articles, videos, or social media posts that provide genuine value to your audience. By offering useful insights, product reviews, tutorials, or entertaining content, you build trust and credibility, increasing the chances of your audience making purchases through your affiliate links. Strategic affiliate product selection. Be selective when choosing the affiliate products or services you promote. Opt for reputable brands that offer high-quality products and align with your audience's preferences. Look for products that provide competitive commissions and have a proven track record of converting well. Effective promotion channels. Utilize various promotion channels to reach a wider audience. Leverage the power of social media platforms, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and content marketing to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Transparent and authentic recommendations. Honesty and transparency are key to building trust with your audience. Clearly disclose your affiliate partnerships and ensure that your recommendations are genuine and authentic. Avoid being overly salesy or pushy, as it can deter your audience. Continuous tracking and optimization. Regularly track and analyze your affiliate marketing performance. Monitor metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings per click. Use this data to identify what's working and what needs improvement. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your chances of success in affiliate marketing and maximize your affiliate revenue. Remember, building a sustainable affiliate business takes time and consistent effort, so stay committed, adapt to changes, and continuously refine your approach to achieve long-term success. I hope you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching.